Comrades, asiqale ngokuxolisa ama-comrade. Ukufika ngalesi sikhathi ama-comrade esehlaseliwe. Ngizaneno nje ukube uNkulunkulu wayengidale ngaba namaphiko, I would just fly. Ume emotini ngidize. Actually sisuke eThekwini izolo ngo-10. Sithi sifuna ukufika la at least ngo-5 ekuseni. Imoto yasifela masidlule eMontrose sayizama ngafonela ulokhuze uLazarus ethi roundabout bekuba 3 o'clock ngithi akangihlangabeze size sadlula ngisho eGoli ngale moto ehamba kancane saze sawufika in the middle of iGoli nePretoria kwayila ke singene egarage wafika kwaZosilanda. Bafowethu, I'm so sorry, right? But ke imovie yethu ke ibe inhle kakhulu ngoba njengamanje we are expected ukuthi singene lapha. Sebesifonele several times nami ngibatshela wo manini siyeza. Yabo, so siyakhona njengamanje. Ngoba sithe by 11 o'clock sizobe singene ingxoxweni. So actually ngize lapho ukuthi sizothatha imandate. Imandate ifanele siyithathe ekini. Ukuthi njengamanje uma singena lapha ngaphakathi ngizocela ukungena nabasebenzi hayi ngedwa.
Yes, Bumani.
Mandla wethu angifune into ezothi mayiphuma lapha kuthiwa uNgcobo une-envelope. Angithi niyabona ukuthi ngifike nobani noLazara ngithi mangiqala-ke ngithi ngiya ngaphakathi ngizobe ngiya nabasebenzi ngaphakathi hayi ngedwa, because ngifuna into esoyixoxa ngaphakathi kube yiyona nto le okuyiyona ezobuya nathi sengaphandle. Okay, my comrade? So what I need from you ukuthi asithi stay calm. Ngiyacela ningithathele nje all the pictures as well laba abantu okuyibona asebelimele. Ngiyafuna siwathathe those pictures and siyafuna ukuthi abantu bazolandwa i-ambulance la nibangayihambeli abalandwe i-ambulance la sebedubulekile abalandwe i-ambulance because lento umlando the history wants to repeat itself. Emaphoyiseni wants to repeat itself ukuthi bona they can't tolerate ama-issues abasebenzi bona always they take his side lomqashi. So now this is what we are here to address ukuthi we cannot allow ukuthi every time when there is this kind of imfuno zethu, because we demand this thing long time ago. We are in labor court, we are in CCMA, we are in bargaining whatever, trying by all means to engage umqashi to give us what belongs to us. We understand? And now if ufika lesi sikhathi sokuthi umqashi can't control a situation where kufanele anikeze abasebenzi imali okwavumelwana ngayo ku section 197. So now bese decide ukuthi aka reduce this gathering into a bloodshed. No, we cannot allow that. And my comrade, I want to applaud you to stand for your own liberation, for your own work struggle up until now. Because this is what we want. If ufanele sife abasibulale. Because it's a lot of money. Actually, it's the pension of one of the police officers. Yes. I am talking about one person that is owned by Teresa. It's equal to a pension of the SAPS police officer. So it's a lot of money. So this is what we are here for. So everybody must bear with us and must give a control, a peace control, not just fire. We are black people are here fighting one another for no reason, want to liberate our country, but at the same time we find ourselves being, you know. So comrades, I guess I'm so cool man amaphoyisa ngesizwe na ukuthi kwenzakalani manda wethu obanike ngamba. Okay.